In this guide, we'll show you how to format a USB flash drive on both Windows 11 and 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips. Formatting a USB drive is a useful process that removes all existing data, giving you a clean slate. Before you begin, ensure you've backed up any important files you want to keep by saving them to your computer. Start by connecting the USB drive to your computer. Open File Explorer and navigate to This PC from the menu on the left. Under the Devices and Drives section, locate your USB drive. Right-click on it, then select the Format option from the drop-down menu. A format window will appear. For the file system, choosing exFAT is recommended as it offers broad compatibility. Leave the allocation unit size at 32 kilobytes and assign a name to the drive in the volume label field. You can opt for a quick format for faster results or a full format for more thorough data removal. Once ready, click Start. Confirm the warning that all data will be erased, and the formatting process will begin. When it's complete, your USB drive will be ready to use with a clean, empty storage space. This script is uniquely worded and ready for use in any video on this topic.